Crude oil and net gas both stayed bullish for the day. Net gas specifically has given a gap up, and since then it has moved towards now 3.46, while crude oil has also breached the $7.74 levels and has moved towards 74.2. Can we expect further rise? Can we expect oil to move towards the next target at 74.5 and bridge the gap towards 75, or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop? Likewise with the natural gas, because 3.5 is a hurdle here for it to break. Can we say natural gas is going to break 3.5 and stay bullish, or the drop is on the way? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into crude oil, followed with net gas. See, first, when you look at oil on the early charts after retracing, see, that is what I have mentioned in my earlier review, that see, this is how oil has been trading consistently, delivering higher lows, higher highs, staying in the bull. And see, this is the time since then. Look at every drop, it is followed with a rise here, and that is what has happened today as well. Now, it is very, very important for oil to break beyond 74, 74.2, and then we know that see, in last few weeks I have been mentioning repeatedly that oil has to move towards 75, so I am looking at that levels again. If it stays above 74, 74.2, chances will be high that we are looking forward to 74.5 first and 75 second. In fact, beyond this, oil is going to move towards 75.8, 76 levels as well. The stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD after retracement, it is crossed over here and it is now looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls here as well. RSI at the top here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, look at the beauty of the movement here. Rise, retracement, retracement, retracement. And see, every time it has taken the support, it has bounced back. This is the beauty of the charts here. And see, beautifully, the moving averages are consistently staying bullish with the little waves here. So I can say oil is definitely trading bullish, and now it is to break below 73 and 72.4. Only and only if you see oil below these two levels, you can say now the bears are back and you can look forward to a correction. Else, right now is still staying in the buy zone. The stochastic overbought here. MACD after retracement again crossed over. On the 2 hour charts also similar is the observation. See the support here. Every time it has moved towards the 20 period, it has shown a bounce back and a recovery. And now 20 period moving average appears to be acting as a strong wall here. So it is very, very important now for oil to trade below 73, 73.2 zone. Stochastic rising. The MACD is right now on the sell but trying to converge. Remember, it is not yet crossed over. Only a crossover here will confirm the reversal. RSI rising, coming to 3. Similar observation on the 3 hour charts, hitting the highs now, and it has come towards the next crucial zone at 74, 74.2. Remember, there is a gap left at 74.5, 75, which it may try to full. Moving average trying to stay bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over for the sell. Remember, it is trying to converge, but I think it is going to be difficult for oil to cross over for buy here. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to the 4 on the 4 hour charts, yes, it is still looking forward to a rise, but I will say at this point you have to exercise a bit of caution towards 74.2. Beyond that, certainly you can stay bullish for 74.5, 75. Definitely it is staying bullish, and also it is showing the waves here. Every rise is followed with a drop, and it appears that the third peak is about to begin here. So once it stays above 74.2, definitely you can expect further more rise. Stochastic after the drop trying to bounce back. MACD at the peak here. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to the day. Now, before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, on the daily charts, what did we discuss? Quadruple bottom, squeeze here, and then this breakout. I have discussed this several times. Rise, retracement, rise here. So this is the second leg of rise which is ongoing here, and it is almost at the cusp of it. So possibility of a reversal exists here. My only point here is that yet is sooner or later oil is gonna move towards 75.5, 75 zone, and but at the current levels you have to exercise a bit of caution. So once you see it is staying above 74.2 today, you can buy here. Expect 74.5 first and then 75 level second. This is the zone which it may try to move, but if you look at the movement, remember preceding few candles, it is definitely finding it difficult to stay above 74, 74.2. Also, it has seen a good rise, so there is a possibility of a beginning of a reversal here. and thus only bullishness today in oil is above 74.2 here, else there is a possibility of a drop again. Though the moving averages are trading with divergence and is staying bullish, but I can see it definitely struggling at the zone at 74.74. The stock ISIC is extremely overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is at top. So now consider first thing is where to buy. I will only recommend you to buy at 74.2. Expect it to move towards 74.45, 74.5. The first target and 75. Beyond 75, ideally we are looking at 75.8, 76 zone. But today at this point till 74.2, you have to exercise a bit of caution. On the downside, now a selling entry ideally has to be below 73, 73.2 zone. But since it a little bit far below, you can sell here at 73.6 levels. Expect 73.4, 73.2, and 73. Till 73, stay alert, stay cautious. Below 73, we are looking forward to a major dump towards 72.4, and below 72.4 is where we are looking forward to a greater correction for the day. For the week, 71.8 is possible, which should act as a greater support. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. Now see what net gets delivered is, see, it has given a gap up, it has moved to above 3.1. Now it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average and the resistance from the 100 here. So also we know that it is very crucial for net gas to break beyond 3.5, 3.6 zone, which is going to remain as a stronger resistance zone. So now it is the level at which you can watch out. You should buy it above only if you see it is staying above 3.46. When the lower price is about 3.46, initiate a buying entry for 3.5, 3.54, and then 3.6 has to be there soon. Also on the downside, now 20 period is support, and then below that 3.34 level. So these two levels are very important, that is 3.39 and 3.34. Only and only if these levels are taken, we can say that the bears are back. Though on the hourly charts, the moving averages are still staying on the sell side. The stock ISIC has dropped here. If you look at the MACD is trading with divergence and looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is trying to bounce back here on the upside. Coming to two on the 2 hour chart, similar is the observation after the crossover. We can see the bearishness here, and now you can find out a little resistance here on the upside. So I will wait for it to stay above 3.46. Once it stays above 3.46, ideally we can look forward to 3.5, 3.54 zone, which should act as a greater resistance. And if it breaks beyond this, we are looking forward to a greater recovery. Remember what is happening here in natural gas, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel earlier in the day. That is why I have mentioned it is very important for gas to trade above 3.6, and once it trades above 3.6, that is the point of time you can consider that this is a reversal for the day, for the week. Stock I stick overbought. MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish. RSI is comfortable as well. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, also similar observation here. See, after forming a cusp, it is trying to retrace, trying to reverse. Also remember this double bottom levels here, and that is why also I say, as long as now 3.34 is not taken, do not trade this as bearish. That is the level only below which you can say now natural gas is turning bearish, and below 3.34 is where it can continue to keep filling the gap here till towards 3.25. Right now it is staying still on the buy side, but also notice it is delivering this wave here, drop retracement, drop retracement, and the highs of this channel are now towards 3.55. So once you see it is staying above 3.46, you can again initiate a buying entry here. Stock ISIC overbought. MACD crossed over here at the bottom, only just couple of candles away, so possibility of a third candle like this is strong. The RSI, if you look at the RSI, is staying flat here. Coming to 4 hour, the observation is similar on the 4 hour charts. My only worry point is the preceding two candles, which is shown diminishing body size. Diminishing body size is always a point of concern, and that is why we can see a red candle appearing here. Also notice on the 4 hour charts, the moving averages, they've crossed over on the sell side here. So I'll wait for it to stay above 3.46 levels, where you can expect 3.5, 3.54. And if this zone is taken, then we are looking forward to 3.6. Beyond 3.6, it is a confirmation of a reversal. Else right now it is still to be treated with caution on the upside. Stochastic overbought. MACD hitting the lows, it is now crossing over here. Very good sign for the bulls. RSI comfortable here. Coming to the on the daily charts, yes, there is a gap up here, and also notice how net gas has behaved so far. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, retracement. Bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. It is still trading bullish here, and now we are waiting for it to cross about 3.6. That is the only level beyond which more bullishness should prevail. What has happened today? It has given a gap up and it has traded bullish. Now only bearishness today is only and only if it trades below 3.3334 levels, else it is still not to be treated bearish here. Now look at the formation here. Stock ISIC oversold. MACD has crossed over for sell. RSI rising. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 3.46 levels. Expect it to move towards 3.5 5 the first target, and if 3.5 is taken, 3.54 should be waited for, and then beyond 3.54 is where the bulls are waiting towards 3.6. Else right now you have to exercise a bit of caution towards 3.54, 3.5 zone. That should be the strongest resistance for the day. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is only and only if you see it is staying below 3.4. Now 3.4, which was the resistance earlier, it should be a support here. Below 3.4, it is going to be 3.36 levels, which is going to act as a prime support, and then 3.34, 3.36, 3.34 zone. If it takes away today, we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 3.3 and 3.24. Chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Do what that is.